Let's talk about the main editing space within Canvas. I don't think I've talked about this menu before. So with the menu, as long as you have text and directions or things on the page, you will be able to edit the text a little bit to give it a more personal look. So for example, if there's a word in there that you want to make sure you bold, you can highlight the phrase you want and click bold, or italicize it, or underline it, or change the color. And these are all the colors you have, so you can make it purple. And if you want to highlight it, you can also highlight it. And so what you can do is point out certain phrases and words. Now if you don't like how that looks or you messed up, here's a secret for you. You can clear the formatting. So instead of highlighting it and then clicking all these things again, like I don't want it to be bold, instead of doing that, just go to clear formatting and it takes it back to normal. So there's a nice tip for you. You can do left indent, you can center it, you can right indent, you can increase the indent. So make sure your mouse is at the very beginning. You can increase it and move an indent like that, and then decrease it. If you're working on equations and you just want an equation up there, you can have X, click on superscript and put the 2. And now make sure you unclick superscript, otherwise you're going to have superscript text the whole time. So just be careful about that. Easy to fix, you can always clear the formatting. Then you can subscript. And then make sure again you turn it off, otherwise you're going to have a bunch of subscripted text. You can add bullets or a list, which you've probably seen in Word, so click on that, it'll create a bullet list or a numbered list. You can create your grids, so if you want to separate your information, go into your grid and you can insert your table and make it as big as you'd like or as small as you'd like. And then within the table, you just click on it and you actually have access to the different properties. So the table properties, you can actually give them a border, hit OK, and now I've got a border so it's visible. Or I don't have to have a border, so I can go back to my table properties and delete that and make it invisible. You can work with the cells, so your cell properties can have some different things, and you can make them all the same size if you'd like. You can do the row and the columns, so you can actually edit the grid a little bit. You can create links, which I've showed you how to do that in a different video, but you can also break the link and remove it. Insert your images. Only thing you need to do is make sure that you've imported the images first before you place them. So what you do then is you just click the picture, go to Canvas, and that means I've got them in my files and I can upload one of those pictures and change the size if I need to, hit update. You can also upload a picture image if it's a .png, which is, I've never had any luck with that, I always just upload. Or you can go to Flickr and find pictures of a microphone. Say you're doing a broadcast, and it'll give you some options to use since they have Creative Commons. And so maybe I want that microphone in there, and I want it to be 200 there, and click there and make it smaller. So there's my microphone. So you can also look for images if you'd like to. You can create insert math equations. So highlight those. You can just click on that, and it gives you a tool to do that with. You can, once you've embedded some different tools within Canvas, you can actually embed those. So I put YouTube on my program, so you just click on that and I can just look for a YouTube video, or if I know what the YouTube video is, I put the link or the website there. You've got regular video, so you can record your own video. So if you have a webcam on your computer, which a lot of us are going to our own device that we can use, all of them have front-facing cameras, so you can record something, or you can just upload a camera or a video or audio file for the kids to watch or listen to. You can change your paragraphings here. You can change your font sizes and then change the paragraph tools. So other than that, you don't have a ton of freedom within the text box, but you can change some things around, and that's what each button does.